Creed Aventus is said to be the king of all fragrances. Is it still the king of all fragrances? What's up everyone, this is Albert and you're watching another episode of Tito Tips. Thank you for dropping by. For today's video, I'm gonna be unboxing or I'm gonna be unwrapping this package that I got from Kuya Patrick of Pinoy Tu. Shout out to you, thank you so much for sending this package to me free of charge. The reason why Kuya Patrick sent this to me is because, you know, it's kind of long story. So if you have time, please check out his video that I will be posting in the description box below. And for you who might be wondering why I'm doing this video in English is because this is my way of extending my gratitude to the company who made this fragrance. It's S1CK. No, S1CK. You can say sick. That's probably the easiest way to pronounce it. So thank you so much, S1CK.
There's a message from Pinoy Tu. God bless.
God bless you too, Kuya Patrick. Ooh. Should sharpen my knife. It's kind of dull, no? Now let's take a look at the box. As you can see, it's made of hard and thick cardon box. Not as fancy as what you'll get from an $800 fragrance, but it's definitely an upgrade compared to the designer fragrances, you know, that you can just chuck away the boxes. But this one has thick, solid box. It's got Gothic design. It says liquid silver eau de parfum 50 ml by SICK or S1CK, and it's a Holy Grail edition. Look at that, it's made in USA. At the back it will tell you the components. You got denatured alcohol and parfum. It's got a nice presentation there. Also on the other side. And right here, the closure has magnets. And you can hear that sound, the satisfying sound. I'd probably keep this box. You could probably use this box for something else, like storing whatever. It's got a picture of, I don't know who they are, but yeah, nice presentation as well. It's got their website that you can check out later. And a note that says, because being different isn't enough. Yes, that's right. You have to stand out. It also has their Instagram account. And aside from that, the bottle that sits perfectly inside it with the velvety foam that surrounds it. Make sure that it is sitting there securely. So it says liquid silver, and it's a timeless scent exuding a fresh fruity blast of pineapple, apple over bergamot, jasmine, musk, and touch of molecule 01. Impressive. Designed for the modern man, giving the signature impression that will embed in the minds of others. It says that the top notes has pineapple, apple, juniper berries, so you kind of have an idea that this might smell like Creed Aventus because those notes are the main notes in Aventus DNA. And the middle note has bergamot and jasmine. The base notes are patchouli, musk, ambergris, vanilla, and molecule 01. And now let's go to the bottle itself. Look at that. Look at that. It's got a nice feel to it, reasonably thick. And the first thing that comes to mind when I first saw this is bubble wrap. But make no mistake, because it's got a solid construction, it's really thick, and the design matches the aura of the cap. As you can see, I thought at first this is a crown, but turns out that this looks like a diamond with facets to it. It's probably made of steel alloy and some plastic, or probably glass. I don't want to smash it just to prove a point. Premium plastic, but very nice construction there. Yeah, and it matches the design of the bottle, which obviously conveys luxury and royalty. And now let's try the atomizer, my most favorite part. Initial spray, nothing. Second spray. But I'll let you see how fine that is. Look at that. You can barely see it. Another one. Wow, wow. I think this is something that would grab attention really. And we all know Creed Aventus has already done that many times over. I can also tell subtle differences that makes it unique from other clones and other Creed Aventus inspired fragrances. And I think this is one of those fragrances that would stand out. Let's save those for my next video on my full review of this. On that video, we'll be talking about everything, the projection, the longevity, the performance. Is it something that you could wear every day? Is it something that could replace Aventus? Because we all know that Creed Aventus is ridiculously expensive. How it stands toe-to-toe with the mighty King Aventus, which is said to be the king of all fragrances. Or is it still the king of all fragrances? Because many have tried, not just clones, to steal that title. And so, in the next video, we're gonna find out if this is worthy of the crown or it is just another laughable clown. Alright, we'll see. Once again, this is Albert leaving you with a quote. Kahit hindi ka gwapo basta mabango, palagi kang panalo. Stay safe and I will see you in the next one. Cheers!